Challenge 5 base. Alright, this time we're going to do it a little bit differently than we did it the time before. I found it takes less damage and quicker repair. So, first thing we're going to do is shock this guy. And we're going to shock this guy. We're going to bring in 12 devotes, 6 absolvers. Just want to clean out the front. Shoot these tanks as quickly as you can to get them to... Okay, pull them in, pull them in, pull them in. Come on, don't go crazy on me. Send in a few soul runners, 8 soul runners. Do a little bit of damage here. Keep them moving so that they do the maximum amount of damage. Come on, stupid lag. Alright, that's good enough. Controllers. Controllers are great for clearing out the air. 8 controllers. And they'll take out all the air for you. Let's take out a tank. One thing we've got to do if we're going to do that, shock them so they don't kill you. You don't want that rail taking out your controllers. All right. Take out these guys. Here comes the air. Keep moving. Stop chasing me so I can kill you. There you go. Now we will take out the rail, shoot right here. And of course the lag is terrible. Come on. Okay, now I'm getting shot because the lag screwed me up. This is what happens when you hit lag. All right, let's retreat him. Let's bring in 7 other controllers. This is not the best example, but what it does clearly show you is things don't go the way you want them to every single time. So you got to adapt. Boy, the lag is bad today. Go right there and stop, and he'll turn around. All right. Now let's go back and kill him. All right. Come on. This HTML is worthless. I don't like it at all. We're going to send some more soul runners in. We're going to clear out the rest of the front. Well, before we do that, let's take out the plane over here. There's 2 planes that will do you some significant damage. Let's take him out first. Here he comes. There's one more. Here he comes. All right, take these guys out. Hopefully, our shock won't run out. If it does, it does. All right, let's go in here and get rid of these guys. Yep, shock ran out. We're going to get a little bit of damage. Can't control them if you don't know where they're at. And right now, I don't know where they're at. All right. I'll show you what controllers will do. Controllers will take out that rail, no damage. It'll also take out the 2 air that are flying back and forth. As long as we stay out of range of the rail, we're okay. Come on. All right, now we got to take out these planes. And here comes another one. Stop right there. He'll turn around. All right, let's get the other plane. All right, that's enough of that. Okay, we'll clean out the rest with Soul Runner. Shock him. That's it. That's one way. There may be better ways. I just thought I'd try something different.